What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are on the way down to Houston, Texas. First, we're going to stop at the Alphaland Gym, which is basically like the Disneyland of gyms, founded by Christian Guzman, who started Alphalete. And then we're going to be picking up Chase from the airport. Chase is our BMX rider. He's going to be not filling in, but he's going to be an addition to the show because we're doing a big show in a few days in Fort Smith, Arkansas. It's going to be our first arena show, and wow, it is quite a massive upgrade from any of the other shows we've done. I've been wanting to do arena shows for years, and this is the first time we've ever booked something this big. It's an hour-long show. I'm super excited for it. So basically, we're going to be doing that today. We're going to do a little bit of behind the scenes of our show, and I'll show you guys what we have going on because we haven't really done any YouTube videos in years. I took a break 3 years ago because I wanted to go full-time in running this company, and basically it's probably been like the greatest thing I've ever done was putting my focus fully into the show company, because when I was juggling too many things, the company wasn't quite growing as much as I wanted it to be, and wow, what a great decision that's been. So let's get this party started. What's up, Houston? Just wrapped up at the gym. All right, we're gonna go pick up Chase right now, but going to that gym is so inspiring because that guy started off with just a YouTube channel, then he started a apparel company, and I've been watching Christian Guzman for like probably 10 years or so. It's just really cool how big that gym is, and like how a vision has come to light in that kind of way. That gym is so big. It's like Disneyland, literally like going to Disneyland. For someone who likes to work out every single day, no matter what, like going to something like that is super inspiring. So it gives me great motivation to do something similar with my company. Maybe just have like a Disneyland of like acrobatic training facility or something like that. There's just something about Houston that I absolutely don't like. I don't think I would ever want to move here. It just seems like so industrial, kind of like LA vibes. I don't know. I feel like I could see myself eventually moving to somewhere like Dallas, or even like far away from Dallas, like an hour or so, into like somewhere like Lufkin where it's just all forest, which staying in the forest is really, really cool. I love being super far away from everyone else. So eventually, maybe when I'm like 40 or something, I'll eventually move out of the city, out of Las Vegas.
That's me over Tom's shoulder. And then again, you know,
you got Chase.
The point of that is...
All right, after going to the wrong airport in Houston, we finally got Chase.
Finally. God.
Went to the wrong airport. I didn't know there was two in Houston.
FaceTimed everybody in my contacts, bro.
We got him, finally. All right, now just 2 hours back. Today we are testing out the airbag. Gonna set it up right behind the stage and get some practice jumps in. Dylan's got this Sur on. He's gonna be jumping over the 16-foot gap over the trampoline. It's gonna be epic. All right, here we are at the stage. Check this thing out. This is this year's stage. We based it around like the Golden Knights a little bit, so everything's black, gold, or white. We even have some of the theme songs that the Knights use in like their opening and stuff as well. So Dylan's riding his bike. It is so hot out here. It's like 97 degrees, like 70% humidity. It was so hot, or so humid last night, that the stage had like a layer of like moisture on it. We had to bump our shows up a little earlier today, so hopefully we don't have to deal with that. But we also have this mega ramp jump in the back. So this is going to be set up over the trampoline wall right here during the arena show. It's going to be a big, huge addition to it. It's going to make it really exciting. And it's going to make the show an hour long. All right, we are all set up. Got the airbag. This guy's about to do some test jumps. This is the first time testing it since we had it up at our house. So we're going to try to set it at 16 feet eventually, because these guys got to go flying over the whole entire trampoline. It's going to be sick. So we built this mega ramp jump specifically for this show that's coming up. These guys are going like 20 feet in the air. They're gonna be getting close to the roof. Check out this height difference. I'm right here. Woo! Nah, let me get a flip train.
Flip train? Oh, that sounds good to me.
Sir, you're gonna need a lawyer for that case.
Yeah. That's like a foot out. This dude doing tricks already. Yeah.
Here he goes! Full speed! You're gonna miss it! Oh, Max is gonna jump it. You guys gonna do doubles on the Suron?
Yeah, dude.
Hang on to Dylan.
Yeah, dog.
That just looks so chill. So this place that we're staying at has its own private lake. How cool is that? This place is like 50 acres or something. Riding Dylan Suron around. This thing is pretty sweet. Might have to get one myself. But dude, we could go fishing whenever we want. Might have to rent this place out again. Or maybe I need my own log cabin. All right, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Man, this place is pretty sweet. So far on this tour, we've stayed in a freaking castle, in like a giant sphere looking thing. We had a lake, like beach house kind of thing, all kinds of crazy Airbnbs. So one of my favorite things about touring is staying in like really unique, cool houses. So it's one of the things that I will never like short on is getting awesome Airbnbs, because it kind of makes the whole experience super cool. I just rode that Suron around this entire place, which is like 50, if not more, acres. There's a lake over there. There's another lake over there. There's a river. There's all kinds of stuff. It's super cool. So anyways, if you guys enjoy these videos, let me know in the comments down below, and I will keep them coming. We're going to try to be doing this content stuff a lot more this year. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and smash that like button. Peace out, guys.